Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 16 Cornell Avenue, Rumford, Rhode Island. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home for rent. Start our video tour. The main entrance when you walk in. Living room area here, very spacious, beautiful hardwood flooring, high ceilings. Got your dining area right here with the chandelier lighting, ceiling fan, big picture windows. Before we get to the kitchen here, on the right, you got bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen or a king set. This is in the corner of the house here. Good closet space there. Got the bathroom here, jacuzzi tub, toilet, separate shower, double vanity. Absolutely beautiful. That's your basement door there. You got finished basement, washer, dryer, plenty of room for storage and an office space. Kitchen here, you got eating kitchen, perfect to put some stools on. Lots of countertop and cabinet space, electric stove, built-in microwave, large stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, undermount sink, high ceilings, big ceiling fan there. Got your mudroom over here. Wraparound porch overlooking the fenced-in backyard. Got the smallest out of the 3 bedrooms here. Could fit a full or a queen set. We'll make our way upstairs. Before we go into the last bedroom, you got a nice little area here for second living room. You got mini splits throughout, keeping the house nice and cool. And then you got bedroom number 3 here, big enough for a queen, possibly a king set, closet space. I'd like to apply for 16 Cornell Avenue, Rumford, Rhode Island. Click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.